people. But before, Vargas, if I'm pronouncing your name correctly, sorry, if feel free to correct me if you would like to make an introduction of yourself, maybe, or just a few words. I also have the agenda doc basically the chat if you want to add your name there. And we lost them, I guess. They've been contributing to GitLab for quite a while. They might come back. So yeah, the goal of these calls is like some regular office hour calls in an effort of trying to bring the community closer, close to each other, finding ways to support each other, answering any questions. From time to time we have GitLab team members also joining. Unfortunately this week we don't have anyone, but I'm working into having someone next week. The past weeks we had Brian Williams helping us identifying some issues for people to contribute to various projects and how to address changes in code. And now we're trying to get someone to help us understand the review process of you open an remark, the reviewer. What do they look to when they're reviewing your remark? So, but yeah, in the meantime, for today, there are a few topics there, just as a placeholder, but we can dive into, and then we can open it up for anything. Dan and Marco Dan. I can quickly.
Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
are you the one that has a lot of background noise?
Probably.
Oh, okay.
Did the background noise stop?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I cannot listening to this noise because of the headphones, but apparently here in Berlin there is a lot of development. We are rich,
Oh, yeah.
the government is rich, so they're building it's like San Francisco, really. I live in the city center of Berlin, and if you don't visit this place for more than 6 months, you come back. A friend of mine came to visit, and my friend was like, "What the hell is going on? When did this skyscraper came up? It's getting crazy."
That's funny. Yeah.
Yes, sorry about that.
Oh, no worry.
All right, let me close the other window as well. All right, so recording. Okay, cool. Sorry, people in the recording. This is how life happens.
Yeah.
Or can I quickly share my screen, just to briefly announce some of the stuff about the hackathon, and then we can just do whatever we want. Sounds good?
Yeah.
All right. So every quarter, Dan, in case that you're not aware, every quarter we have the GitLab Hackathon. Whoa. Hi, Joseph. Welcome. All right, so every quarter we have the hackathon. The next hackathon is going to happen in 41 days, 17 hours, 21 minutes, and 13 seconds. It's an opportunity for everyone to contribute. The goal of this hackathon is to have to identify some issues for people to contribute to, easy issues to contribute to. Hi, Said. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome. Housekeeping notes since people are joining. I'm gonna post the link to our agenda in our chat. Feel free to add your names if you want to, and add any topics that you'd be interested in discussing. I'm just going through the first topic, which is the hackathon, and then cover a few topics, and then I'm gonna open it for everyone, for anyone who have any questions, if there are things you'd like to discuss. So 1.5 months ago, we had a hackathon that took place where we received 223 MRs from various people, around 5 contribution areas: security, front-end, backend, technical writing, and website. With a lot of pleasure today, I would like to announce the winners. So before doing that, just wanted to say that people how to contribute and how to participate. It's really simple. You just show up, find something to work on from these links, either on security or front end or back end. Make an MR during the duration of the hackathon. The next hackathon is going to take place between the 2nd of August and 9th of August. It's going to be a whole week hackathon, giving more time for people. In the past, we've tried during the week. We tried during the weekend. Now we're trying the whole week to give more time and space for people who are busy, have families, or have other things in life. So for be easier for everyone to contribute. And that's actually the motto of the hackathon. Everyone can contribute. That's the motto of GitLab. The hackathon prizes, I had to remove the prizes because we are doing a rebrand, and that's why we had some issues with our swag, with our items. But now we're working into fixing that, and for the next hackathon, we're gonna have some proper. I'm gonna update this page with things that we're gonna put there. So I I don't want to keep you anticipating, so I'm just gonna quickly do this document. This document I have extracted, I've parsed the data, all the MRs, and the idea is that from every MR that, let me show you how I calculated the winners. So for every MR that is linked in this issue that is counted against towards the hackathon, so I've opened the MR, I've checked, for example, improved danger bot token instructions, whether this MR is contributing to an existing issue. If the MR is contributing to existing issue, it's getting 5 points. This one that is not, it's getting 1 point, that we don't have an existing issue. And I'm also checking whether this is like security, backend, frontend, technical writing, or website. This one, it's technical writing. So this MR is from Leeds, counts 1 point in the category of technical writing. Some of the MRs there were some MRs from different backgrounds that were contributing to one issue. What I'm counting, the area of contribution, I'm counting the area that the issue belongs to. If an issue is just like backend related, then the MR is going towards the backend. So with no further ado, these are the 4 areas. Unfortunately, we didn't have any contributions to security. That's unfortunate, but that's okay. So for the backend, for the grand prize, we have Anshul, second prize, Feistel, Ben Bodmiller, Lee Ticket, and Takuya. And it's really important for everyone to know that even if you have one MR merged, you're getting a prize. Either it's going to be a t-shirt or something else. Every contribution counts. For the front end, we have Laurent, the grand prize, Lee, second prize, Sridhar, second prize, and Anshul and Feistel and Jeremy Wu for the second prize. And for the technical writing, we have Justin Chan, Feistel, Varghese, Joseph, I think you're here. Yes, congratulations. You have the second prize in technical writing. Amy Phillips, Takuya, and yes. And for the website, grand prize for Justin Chan, second prize from Bianca, Mikhail, and Joseph. Joseph, you have 2 second prizes. Let's see if we can diversify your swag, because I mean, you can get this swag to same packages, but maybe we can diversify that. Congratulations to all. I will be posting an update and then an announcement to go live tomorrow at noon UTC time, and I'm gonna be sending emails to everyone informing them about the prizes and winning. So congratulations. I think also Zahid, you also here, right? If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to, first of all, you're more than welcome to check the data and double check. I've shared the list of all the MRs. That's my door. Give me 1 second. I need to get that. And now we're putting elevator music, and I'll be back in 2 and 20 seconds. Sorry, here in Germany, if you don't get your packet is getting lost. It's literally getting lost, so I had to get the door. All right, are there any questions or anything?
Not from me. Everything's clear.
Perfetto, as the Italians would say. All right, another thing, another initiative that we're doing is the contribution themed months. We're extending it until the hackathon, until the middle of August. I'm gonna update this page soon. It's weeks dedicated to backend. That's why we're inviting some GitLab team members to highlight us how to contribute to GitLab and various product groups. Relatively simple. You don't have to do anything specific. Just join our office hour calls and our Gitter channel in case that you have any questions. There is a Discord server as well. Marco, if you would like to link the Discord server to us, that would be amazing. Sorry for.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Perfetto, grazie mille. And yes, and another thing that in case that you're starting contributing to GitLab and you're running out of CI/CD minutes, there is an issue right now. If you're running out of CI/CD minutes, feel free to email me or tag me in an issue. I will make sure to reset your minutes as soon as possible. We're implementing an interim solution that's going to be rolled out in the next release. But in the meantime, feel free to tag me.
Should I add the invite link to the Discord server on the agenda also?
Of course.
Okay.
Sorry, say
Yes.
it here, Christos.
Yes.
Sorry, I missed that part. You just said resetting the minutes. You mean for the Git part?
Not for
I
the
missed
Git
that
bot.
part.
Yes, for contributing to GitLab. So when you in your free version of GitLab, you have 400 CI/CD minutes to contribute to GitLab. And right now, when we're opening an MR, all these minutes are gonna go away. So in order to fix that, please reach out to me. If you're using Gitbot, and since you brought it up, and you would like to you run out of minutes there, please reach out to me as well. I've talked to Gitbot, and they're more than happy to help our contributors by allocating them some additional Git minutes for them to contribute to GitLab.
Okay, sure, thank you.
Just send me an email to contributors at gitlab.com, and I will make that happen.
Okay, sure, thanks.
And the last item in the agenda, which I would like to share my screen again, is a new feature that it was released in the contributing flow today, and it's the ability. So every time you open MR, let's quickly go here. Random example, Marco's MR here. So first of all, when you're opening MR, you need to make sure that you click all these checkboxes. And I'm not shaming you, Marco, just like for the sake of for demoing. So provide a concise title for this MR. Fix some typos in Twitch community mail. Perfect. Good. Add a description to the MR explaining the reasons. Perfect. Done. So let's click that as well. Now, assign, this is when you open an MR, okay? this is the author should do that, and Marco did it. So I'm just clicking them away. The third action item is like assigning reviewers for this MR. So right now at GitLab, the problem that we've been having so far is like when opening MR, the process how it works is like the MR coaches are checking your MR and then applying the appropriate labels. And then the project maintainers are gonna, based on the labels, are gonna review your MR and assign it to the appropriate reviewer. The MR coaches applying the labels normally takes between 24 hours to 48 hours. But from that point until assigning a reviewer to your MR, it might take some time, a fair amount of time. And we're trying to solve it different ways with a roulette system that every time there is an available reviewer, we're assigning manually by checking all the community MRs and assigning to people. But now the contributor success team, they made a new introduction. So we all know, and if you don't, this GitLab bot. GitLab bot is our friend, always posting interesting information here about. Oh, this is the website. Okay, cool. This is the website, so that's not the best example. Let me quickly go to. Oh,
I have another one.
Do you have another one on GitLab? Because on the website, the Git bot has a different message.
Yeah, I'm sending.
Perfetto.
Yeah.
Marco to the rescue again. Perfect. All right. So we have a proper MR, again, another one, random example from Marco.
Don't mind that I didn't check the checkbox.
No, it's okay. It's okay. So check this out. We have the bot message here with some instructions. So first, our merge coaches will ensure that contribution is reviewed in a timely manner. Let me zoom in. If you haven't, please set up a danger GitLab API token. Cool. You can comment here, GitLab bot label, and apply your labels. So in case you want to save time for the merge MR codes, you can apply the label by yourself. Perfect. And if you need help, you can write gitbot help. And now they introduced that if your MR, there are 10 times that you open an MR, it's still draft, so it's not ready for to be reviewed. Or when you open an MR and you get some feedback from the maintainer, then you go back and you're like doing some changes. So in order to signal that your MR is ready for review, and you can use the request review here, and you do it. Did you do it, Marco?
I did that, yeah. A little bit up above.
Oh.
Should be on the first comments.
Yeah, I think I missed it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Marco asked for review, GitLab ready. So the GitLab applied the appropriate workflow labels. But the new command now that we cannot indicate here because we don't have
you
it.
Have it on the, on this one.
Yeah, I have it on the other one. Sorry for changing MRs. Is the new addition? What is it? I lost it.
Yeah, the first comment.
GitLab ready zone. So whenever you type GitLab bot ready and the name of a person, the bot is gonna request a review from a specific person, John in this case. So you can automatically ask a review from a specific person, and you save a ton of time if you are familiar with a person that you would like to have to provide feedback.
Yeah, also when you even if you don't know the reviewer to assign, if you set up the danger bot, he will suggest the right reviewer, and you can ping them and also assign them directly.
Perfect. Grazie mille. Thanks also for your remarks and for indicating. Any questions about that?
There's only one thing that I guess we could improve on the danger, that you can set more labels with the same command at GitLab bot labels, and you can have set more labels, but you can't use two commands on the. I mean, like you can't do at GitLab bot label, set a label, and on the next line do at GitLab bot label to add another label. You can do them all on one line.
You can or you cannot?
You cannot do them on more lines. You should use the same line.
I see. Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
just thought about that.
We can open an issue for this case and like give it feedback, and I think Remy will be more than happy to address it.
Yeah.
Where's the customer success? Wanna leave your feedback here so I can pass it on to the.
Oh yeah.
The team. Perfetto. And I'm gonna stop sharing my screen, and I will just like open floor. I mean, the floor is always open if someone has to want to interrupt or have a question or want to just chat. I don't want to put anyone on the spot, but Dan, if you have any questions, since you're interested in contributing to open source, we have some videos I can share with you as well for GitLab, or I can walk you through some of the stuff. But I don't want to just like talking, so I'm just gonna shut up now. Or Said, if you have any questions or any thoughts or any feedback or things you'd like to discuss, more than happy.
So I really quickly searched contributing GitHub and I looked at some of the guides, and I saw there was like a video series. Is there a place you'd recommend for people to start just to kind of hit the ground running?
Yeah, sure. So I'm just going through the agenda of this doc here because we had a really nice video from Brian Williams last time, but I'm gonna go on my Twitter, it's easier because I tweet about it. So there are two things to keep in mind when contributing. Where is it? Found the link. So normally, and I will share my screen again. So this YouTube video is gonna walk you through how to identify an issue and understanding the code and what needs to be fixed, but only a specific product group, only a specific, super specific example. The overall idea though, GitLab contribute. First, it's really important to understand the workflow. So finding an issue to contribute to. This can be covered through this video, but also here in the end of the table, there are the 5 areas where you can browse through in order to find something to contribute to. It can be overwhelming because GitLab is consisted by a bunch of different product groups. I can totally understand that. That's why here, where are we? Architecture. We have the architecture here, which actually breaks down the different components that we have. It's pretty detailed. You don't have to look into it. You should be looking into here in the table, well, here. And also, if you open, for example, this group respond accepting merge requests, you can also apply the label is good for new contributors. So good for new contributors are like issues that have been catered by the GitLab team members and they have good documentation. From my experience, issues that belong in frontend were always well documented with examples and steps to reproduce and the expected behavior. That also includes some backend experience.
And maybe easier to tackle.
Yeah, and maybe easier to tackle. And in order to understand the code base, because the code base is like crazy.
Massive.
Marco, speaking of experience. Another thing that I want to highlight when setting up the development environment is to go with Gitbot. Gitbot is like click and play. Just like go to the repo that you want to contribute. For example, this is, let's go to GitLab. Here from the bottom right corner, here you select Gitbot. Boom. And when you press the button, it starts building. I need to log in, of course. It's gonna start building the development environment on Gitbot. First time it's gonna take more than 5 minutes because it's building the whole development environment, but afterwards you're gonna have it like a few minutes, and you have everything, the whole development environment ready to because setting up GTK in your local environment, it's overwhelming. It's gonna take time. I mean, Marco says otherwise. I'm glad. I'm happy. Yeah. Marco, feel free to share your own experience.
Well, I tried Gitpod 2 months ago, and it worked, but I had some problems pushing my changes to the repository and talking with other people. I know that those issues are fixed now, so it should work. But I set up the GDK multiple times on multiple machines and didn't take that much time so to get ready. So that's anyone can do whatever he wants, basically.
Thanks. Another thing that I've been listening to, I've been hearing is that also it takes some resources to GDK. So sometimes it's preferable.
I have both on WSL on Windows and on my Mac, and on WSL it runs fine. It doesn't really have any problem, but it's eating a lot of RAM and CPU, the virtual machine, not the GDK itself.
And generally, Dan, in case that you need help, I mean, finding an issue to contribute to and also setting up the development environment are two important things. And in case you need help, there is a help section. Here it's relatively simple. You either go to the contributors GitHub channel, which is bridged with where a bunch of GitLab team members are, and they can just like ask for help, or write something on the bot on an issue or an MR. But there is also another way. If you're going to an issue, for example, you found an issue to contribute to. Let's say that this is an issue right now. You can leave a comment and tag the author, which is Marco in this case, and be like, hey, Marco, I just would like to contribute to this. Can you help me understand X, Y, Z? That's it.
Awesome. Sweet.
Yeah.
Is there any tips you'd give, Marco, for setting up the environment, or any issues that you ran into that you're aware of?
No, not really. Only on WSL, but it's documented a fix on the GDK issues. If I remember correctly, there is an issue documenting how to properly set it up. It has some problems when you have spaces on the path to the directory you want to clone the GDK into. But other than that, I didn't really have any problem setting it up.
Awesome. I'll give it a shot. Thank you.
I'll try to see if I can find that issue.
I'm going to be setting it up on Mac, so if it's just a WSL issue,
Oh no, on Mac it really is straightforward. I guess we could say that. Also, I don't know if you're on M1 Mac or on the Intel, but on the M1 the GDK runs really fine.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, one thing. When
Yes.
setting up the GDK locally, it is documented, but I skip it the first time I read the documentation, that you need to fork the GitLab project and specify the fork when you set up the GDK, so that it clones the right repository. Otherwise, you won't be able to make merge requests.
Okay.
Mm.
Awesome. That's it for me. Thank you.
No problem.
Any other comments, questions? Otherwise, we can conclude today's meeting, today's office hour call. I can stop the recording. People watching the recording, thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. See you next week with a GitLab team member walking us through some either how to review and try as and review community Mars, or another diving into identifying issues to contribute to on a specific product group. Until next time, be safe. Thanks for tuning in. Expect the hackathon announcement on our forum.gitlab.com tomorrow at 12 p.m. UTC. And I'll stop the stream now.